Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the app theme as well as the app language on your Roblox app. Go to more and select settings and go to account info. Then you're going to scroll down here, and as you can see there's the language section. For instance, you want it to be in another language, you're just going to select it and it's going to refresh in that language. It's going to translate everything. It just looks weird though, but I'm just going to go back to settings and I'm just going to change it to English so you guys can understand. And oh no, please do not. Oh my god, okay. Well, at least I know where it is, so there we go. To change the theme into dark theme, go to settings, go to account info, and then just go to the theme and select dark. And it's going to change automatically as well. And that is it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!